Hello guys, welcome to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is how to solve 8 to the power 8 divided by 8 to the power 8 plus 8 to the power 6. So let's see, equals to 8 to the power 8 can be written as 8 to the power 6 plus 2. Here also 8 to the power 6 plus 2. And 8 to the power 6 as it is. So there is a formula that is a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. From this formula we can write that 8 to the power 6 into 8 square divided by 8 to the power 6 into 8 square plus 8 to the power 6. Taking 8 to the power 6 common in the denominator, we get 8 to the power 6, 8 square plus 1. And in the numerator, as it is 8 to the power 6 into 8 square equals to, so here 8 to the power 6, 8 to the power 6 gets cancelled, equals to 8 square becomes 64 divided by 64 plus 1 equals to 64 divided by 65. This is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.